So here it is. Here is the absolute mess that is my garage. A few months back when I did the video for the lights that I put in, let me bring you there. You can check out I believe it's a DIY section that I've been on lights and the install. Anyway, well, still learning how to use this thing. But I said that I was going to start renovating my garage to make it a more better area for some of the videos that I do. And as you can see, the makeover, if you will, has started. And still trying to get a hang of this thing. Wee. All right. So it's taken us a lot longer to get it started than I would have liked, but given the current situation and the way things have panned out with some of the other stuff that I was dealing with, I'm pretty happy that we were able to start. So here's the hot mess. Here's my plan. So this pegboard that's here was actually on that wall there, and obviously I removed it, painted it black, but I don't like the way it came out. It's real blotchy. See, we used this hot garbage right here, this satin paint and primer. That's a bunch of crap. Don't use that stuff. Maybe it's operator error, but anyway, but I'm gonna put those up along this wall, and the plan is to have the toolbox along here, and I'm gonna build cabinetry to make it look like it's actually built into like part of like the cabinet system, I guess I'm saying. I don't know, back of a better term, but that's gonna be the first like tower there, or pillar, and then it's gonna be all the way open, massive workbench, and it's gonna stop about right here, and then I'm gonna have a cabinet here for storage. So, and some other stuff. All the cabinetry is gonna be black. Another thing, you see like the Indian head? Well, that was the color of the wall. My wife took the Indian head to Lowe's, and they were able to color match it, and I think it looks spectacular. I think it looks really good. The color's almost, it's damn near dead nuts. But so that's the plan for the walls. Now the floor is going to get a dark gray epoxy coating. As you can see, this floor looks like absolute shit. But yeah, dark gray epoxy coating with black and white, blue, gray, white, and another color that they call cyberspace or whatever, flex. It's all DIY, not hiring anybody to do it. I'm doing it myself. Well, me, my wife, and my son. And we are also going to shoot the process. So I didn't want to shoot the painting because painting is pretty boring. I mean, it's painting. But I wanted to give you guys a before. My back's slippery. Before and after of what it looks like. So this is before, and then we'll do progress shots throughout the entire process. So I haven't forgotten about you guys. Just been really busy. Really, really busy. I appreciate everyone for tuning in. I appreciate everyone for subscribing. If you are interested in watching the series, please subscribe if you haven't done so, and make sure you click the bell icon to be notified of when I upload another video. Glorious, glorious pile of garbage. Look at that, yeah. Hey, why didn't you zoom in? Look at that, trash. All right, peoples, I'm out. Peace. Where are you? Where are you? Oh. Camera. Oh, there you go. Peace.